Is your Instagram stuck on a white screen and not loading anything? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you simple and working methods to fix this problem in just a few minutes. So basically, when you open Instagram, it shows a blank white screen like this and nothing loads. No feed, no stories, nothing. This usually happens because of app bugs, cache issues, or network problems. First, uninstall your Instagram app. Now open your mobile settings and go to Connections option. Now tap on More Connection Settings. Here you will see an option called Private DNS. Tap on it. Now turn off DNS from here. Next, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then switch it off. This helps refresh your network. After that, check if your internet connection is stable. Now open Play Store and install Instagram from here. Now open Instagram and log back into your account. The issue should be gone. Still facing the problem? Don't worry. Try using Instagram Lite or open Instagram in your browser. Both work really well. You can also turn on a VPN to fix possible network-related issues. And if nothing works, simply check if Instagram is down using a server status website. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side. So that's how you can fix the Instagram not loading or network problem easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.